Hey guys, we've got a mnemonic for systolic murmurs for all of you all to remember the systolic murmurs in a very easy way. So this is a mnemonic. Remember Mr. AS, who is the most valuable person in this occasion, had VST in his childhood, had HOCM in his middle age, had HOCM in his middle age, and now since he's older, he has AV sclerosis, which again causes AS. AV sclerosis. Thank you, Mr. AS, for your cardiology contribution. So you have MR, which will be DR as well, AS, AS as well, MVP, VSD, HOCM, and AV sclerosis. These are the systolic murmurs. The rest belongs to diastolic murmur, which is your MS and AR.